In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Klaviyo to Elementor. This tutorial will focus only on sending your form submissions directly into your Klaviyo lists so you can collect leads seamlessly. Add Klaviyo to your form actions. In the Elementor form settings, scroll down to Actions After Submit. This section tells Elementor what to do after someone submits your form. Open the drop-down and add Klaviyo as an action. Once added, a new tab labeled Klaviyo will appear in the left panel. Get your Klaviyo API key. Go to your Klaviyo account and open Account Settings, then navigate to API Keys. Create a private API key, give it a name like Elementor Integration, and copy the key. Return to Elementor and open the Klaviyo tab inside the form settings. Paste the API key into the field provided. Elementor will automatically connect to your Klaviyo account. Select your Klaviyo list. Choose the list where you want your leads to go, for example, newsletter leads, welcome flow list, or any custom list you've created. Once selected, Elementor will know exactly where to send new submissions. Test and publish. Before finishing, always run a quick test. Fill out the form yourself and check Klaviyo to make sure the contact appears in the correct list. If everything looks good, click Update in Elementor to publish your form live. And that's it. You've successfully connected Klaviyo to Elementor, making sure your leads flow directly into your email marketing system. If this was helpful, check out more Elementor and Klaviyo tutorials on the channel. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to support me and to make sure you are notified.